Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Samyang omelette. So now for ingredients, let's check down below. So for the ingredients, you will need the original Samyang BULDAK or the chicken flavor, green onions. For the protein, I'm using the sausage. You can use any sausage you like. The cheese that I use is pretty much a mixed cheese, but you can use just American processed cheese or cheddar cheese. And then for the eggs, I'm gonna beat 2 eggs over here. So now, let's get cooking. First thing first, you wanna cook your noodle. So I'm gonna cook this for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna finish off in a pan. So once it's cooked, you wanna drain the water, add the seasoning, and mix it. So when it mixes evenly like this, we're gonna put it on the side. Now in a pan, I put a little bit of oil, and then I put my stove into a medium heat, so it's on medium heat. Now when it's all hot like this, you can add the noodle. And then now you can add the egg right away. Green onion. Cheese. And then your protein, which is the one I'm using, is the sausage. Okay, I'm gonna cook this for a little bit. Now after you see the bottom one is pretty much cooked, you want to flip it to half. Just cook this a little bit. And then now, after like about 30 seconds, a minute to cook longer, just turn off the heat. We put it in a plate, or we serve it in a plate, and then we're gonna put some toppings on it. So now for the topping, this is from the package of BULDAK. You just put it on top. And there you go guys, your Samyang omelette is ready to serve. So that's it for our today's video guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.